Welcome back. We're now inside the control panel for our website. And we're here because we're going to create a new email to use with our WordPress website. To do that, we're going to go to our email accounts. And what we're going to do here is we're going to create an email. We're going to click Create. We're going to write in the username that we want it to be. We can either generate a password or we can create one and write it in. We can then create the email address. Now, by default, we have been given a certain amount of storage for this email address. We can go into the Manage area. And we can make it so that the storage is going to be unlimited if that's what we need. We can then update our settings. Now, if this is not an email that you typically answer, you can set up a forwarder for this email. For example, what we can do is we can click Forwarder, and we can click Add Forwarder. We can write in the address we want to forward. And we can determine where we want that email address to be forwarded. Once we do that, we can then click Add Forwarder. And our new email address is now set up so that we can use it with our WordPress website. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.